Babe, what should I say for my couple seconds intro? Do like I can do that. Choo choo! This week was really fun because we had the time to go out on a little adventure. Brittany's family invited us to Santa Cruz, California. We went through the Santa Cruz mountains to a place called Felton. It was designed as if you were in an old mining town. And so I didn't know that's what it was going to be like when we first went there. And it was cool to have all the old homes set up in this old miner town. They have things you can interact with. Quaid, he wasn't too sure about the horse when we first walked in, but there was a local band playing there and was playing some of the old jamboree songs, and Quaid was just there swinging his arms, which is his form of dancing, and I think that was probably his favorite part there in the town. From Felton, we took a train through the Santa Cruz Mountains. Our favorite part about the train was as you come out of the redwoods, you enter the city of Santa Cruz and you're going through the center of streets. So you have cars going on the left side of you, the right side, and the train is literally just cruising right down the streets. You slowly pull into the boardwalk in Santa Cruz, right by the beach. And again, that's a totally different atmosphere than it was about an hour ago when you were up at the station. So boardwalk brings a lot of excitement. So having that excitement at the boardwalk kind of gave it a nice change of pace compared to the relaxing but majestic time on the train. So having both opportunities made it quite the experience. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great week.